To create a connector with BambooHR, first, navigate to the Connector section, and then click on the Create Connector button. Upon clicking, a pop-up window will appear. Here, enter your organization name. Then select the HRIS category and enter a unique ID for your connector. Click on the Next button, select the BambooHR integration, and then click on the Create Link button. This will generate a magic link, which can be copied or opened by clicking on it. You'll see the data being requested from BambooHR by Bindbee. Proceed by clicking on Allow and Continue, then enter the subdomain for your organization. After selecting the subdomain, you'll need to enter the API key that was provided earlier and enter it here. Upon clicking Continue, note that the connection has been successfully established. Returning to the previous window and refreshing it, you'll confirm that the connection is active and the data is syncing. To check the logs for more details, simply click on the Logs button here.